Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and today I'm here with a makeup video and I'm doing a hair giveaway. All you have to do to be able to enter this hair giveaway, you must have an Instagram and you must have a YouTube. Now what I need you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my 3 Instagrams. Once you do that, DM me on Instagram on one of my pages that you've completed the task, and DM me your name of your Instagram and also your name of your YouTube so that I can check and make sure you're subscribed. Once I check and make sure you're subscribed, I will give you a number for the raffle. We will do a random drawing and whoever number is pulled will win a free unit. I haven't decided what kind of unit it's going to be, but most likely it'll be a straight unit with a lace closure similar to this one, and the dimensions and everything like that will be custom for whoever wins the giveaway. I will announce the winners next Sunday, and yeah, good luck to all the lovely ladies and gents. Be blessed. Good luck. Today I did a smoky eye. I mixed a few colors from a palette that I created. I used Z palette to create this, and I used a few palettes from like Anastasia Beverly Hills, ColourPop, and things like that. So these are just random colors, but I did show you which colors I used. So if you did want to recreate this look, you know colors that may be similar to the ones that I have in this palette. I decided to do a more like pinky nude look, and I kind of like that. I always do like a cooler nude look, so I wanted to try something different today. If you are interested in how I got this look, keep watching. So first I'm priming my lips with my MAC Lip Conditioner Hydrant. And then I'm using my Kadali spray, the smoothing, glowing complexion, and setting my face. And then I'm just going to go in with my Sephora pencil and groom my brows a little bit. Taking my waterproof brow pencil from Sephora in chocolate brown, I'm going to lightly fill in my brows. Then I'm going to conceal under my brows with MAC's Studio Fix Cream Foundation. It's soft matte and it's the shade NC44, and I'm actually going to use that color to conceal my brows. Taking a more fluffy brush, I'm just going to make sure the concealer is blended out. So the first shade I'm using is this brown shade, and I'm just using that as my base crease color. Then I'm going in with a shade slightly darker but not too dark, and I'm concentrating that more in the crease. And then I'm taking a shade that's a darker brown and I'm applying that to the lid and blending it into the crease as well. Taking a shimmer black shade out of my palette, I'm going to pack that on top of the brown just to give the smoky eye a little more darkness. Now I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and just blending out all the edges so there are no harsh lines. Using Inglot's eyeliner gel in the color 77, I'm going to be lining my eyes, and then I'm also going to clean it up a little bit with the NYX Vinyl liquid liner as well. The brush I used was a little too thick to get like a really precise line, and I didn't have one really small near me, so I just went in with the NYX Vinyl liner just to kind of perfect the line, and you can see me using it right here, just going over top to make sure everything's like super crisp and straight. So I'm moisturizing my face with the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. And then I'm going to be priming my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I like to let the primer sit a little bit. While the primer's sitting, I'm tight lining my eyes with the Smolder pencil from MAC. I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder in translucent and setting everywhere that I put powder and primer. So I'm trying out the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Maria. And I actually think this is a really good match for me. I've used it a few times and it just turns out so pretty on camera. And I can honestly say this is one of the only foundations I can blend down to my neck and I don't get like an orange cast or anything like that. It's actually a very nice match for my skin tone. Using NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel, I'm going to be concealing with that, and then I'm going to be contouring with MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick in NW50, and then you're going to see me blend everything out. I'm going to start with the contour, and I'm just going to make sure I continue to blend some more. I like to smile when I'm blending out my contour because it keeps me kind of in line as far as how far my contour goes. You want to make sure your contour isn't too low, and I find that smiling kind of keeps me in the right place at my jawline. Now because this is a creamy concealer, I decided to blend it out with my beauty blender versus my brush. You can use a brush for this step, but I prefer to use the beauty blender for this portion. And I actually waited to do this last so that the creamy concealer could dry down a little bit first. Now I'm just going back in and make sure everything is completely blended. Taking my matte velvet skin powder from Makeup Forever in Y445, I'm setting all over my face, and I'm actually setting only half my face so you can see the difference. And then now I'm just going to finish setting it, and I like to do this first before I apply my Laura Mercier so that I don't have any like white cast. I kind of like putting a little color to my face first. And of course you're going to see me using my Laura Mercier powder in translucent to set everywhere that I've highlighted. Taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Cocoa Naughty, I'm going to use this to warm up my face and bring a little bronze look to my skin. Going back in with my Makeup Forever powder, I just had to blend everything out, and then of course I'm just really defining my contour with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Now I'm taking that color Smolder and I'm going to be lining my eyes, and I'm actually going to overline them, and that way it'll really smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm just going to use this brown to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm cleaning up my contour and my highlighted portions using my Makeup Forever powder just to wipe it away and press it into the skin. Now I'm taking my NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, and I'm just really blushing up the cheeks. It actually reminds me of the color Petal Power from MAC. I'm taking my all-time Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Chocolate Geode, and I'm going to highlight my face, and I absolutely love this highlight. So today I'm lining my lips with Mahogany from MAC, and then I'm going to be using the shade Act Natural lipstick from MAC, and you're going to just see me blend those together back and forth. And once I feel like I need to add more liner, then you see me adding it here. And I'm also going to go in with the clear gloss from Fenty Beauty, and that shade is called Glass Slipper. Using What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray from Fenty, I'm just setting all over my face. So here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are interested in seeing me do more videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. Peace.